Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Divestments coming to you with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about inside bars and the HA candles or hike and ashi candles. I like to call them the HA candles. Before we get started, as always, my videos are for education and information purposes only. This is not investment advice. Before we get started, I'm going to need you to subscribe to my channel, okay? Like and comment on the videos, and then share them with your friends, your family, and other traders. So let's get to it. A major component of the price action trading is support and resistance. We talk about support and resistance all the time. At support, we want to be buying at support, and we want to sell at resistance. So let's look at some examples of what exactly an inside bar is. Okay. As you know, the hike and ashi candles help us in identifying the trade, the trend with ease, okay? Because it takes out all the noise that regular candlesticks have. Okay. So if we're looking at the inside bar with just regular candlesticks, it doesn't matter if the candles are different colors. It doesn't matter, okay? What does matter, okay, is that the candle on the left, which we're going to call our mother candle, and the candle on the right, we're going to call the baby candle, right? So the candle on the left needs to be higher and lower than the candle on the right, which is the baby candle. The candle on the left needs to be higher and lower than the candle on the right. And this includes the wicks as well. So we're including the whole entire candle, not just the body, but the wicks as well. And that they need to be higher and lower than the candle on the right. And we look for this particular pattern at support and resistance. And again, with regular candlesticks, it doesn't matter the color of the candles. We look for this pattern. And then we look for the reversal. So if this pattern is at resistance, we look for the reversal to go down. If this pattern is at support, then we look for the turnaround or reversal to go up. Now let's take a look and see what these candles look like if we're looking at HA candles. Okay. The rule number one for HA candles, both bars need to be green. Rule number two, the inside bar occurs after a strong upward move. So both of the candles need to be green, and we're looking for it to be at the height of an upward move. So let's see what this looks like on a chart. So we have the high of the day here at 330.29. We've got our inside bar where our mother candle is the candle on the left, is higher and lower than the candle on the right. Our mother candle, which is at the high of the day, is higher and lower than the candle on the right. Now we don't have any wicks on the HA candles, which is fine. But still, this candle is higher and lower than the candle on the right. So you've got the high of the day, you've got an inside bar, and you've got a color change. Candles change colors from green to red. Don't think about it. You're in. You're in that put, and you're in that put until you hit your profit target, and then you're kicked out. Let's look at another example. Okay. Another example. High of the day, 324.22. The mother candle to the left is higher and lower than the baby candle to the right. High of the day, the mother candle is higher and lower than the candle to the right. So we've got the high of the day, we've got the inside bar at resistance, and we've got a color change. Boom. Don't think about it. You're in. Until you make your profit, and then you're out. No questions asked. Inside bar. Powerful, powerful reversal candlestick pattern when it's at the high of the day or the low of the day or resistance and support. Okay, let's look at the next example for HA candles. Rule number 1, both bars should be red. Rule number 2, the inside bar occurs after a strong downward move. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so we've got our downward move, which is a bearish move to the downside, red candles. Okay, we've got the low of the day at 273.47. Our mother bar to the left is higher and lower than the baby candle to the right. And we have a color change, and off she goes to the upside. Low of the day, inside bar, color change, off to the races. Let's look at another example. In this example, we've got double bottoms here. Got double bottoms. And if you look right here, mother candle, baby candle. Mother candle is higher and lower than the candle to the right. Inside bar at a support level. It's not the low of the day, but it's a support level. And the reason why you know it's a support level is because you've got this double bottom here. Color change, and then off to the races. Double bottom, inside bar, color change, off to the races. Again, inside bars at support and resistance. Powerful, powerful pattern. Powerful pattern. Whether you're looking at regular candles or you're looking at the HA candles. Powerful pattern. Some important things to remember. You can use this HA pattern. I'm sorry, the HA candlestick inside bar pattern. You can use it on any time frame. Okay. Almost doesn't count. The mother candle must be higher and lower than the baby candle. No exceptions. The HA candles must be green at resistance and must be red at support. Know your exit before you enter. Don't be greedy. Don't think, trade what you see. Hey, divestments make stock stars every day. Eat, sleep, and trade with divestments to become a stock star. Stock star apparel available online. Thanks and have a great day.